Ladies and gentlemen, have I got something special to show you? This beautiful 3-bedroom mid-terraced house that comprises with off-street parking for multiple vehicles and has been extended to the rear. Why don't you check out your new family home? Alexa, kitchen lights on. This beautifully presented 3-bedroom family home offers an open plan kitchen living area, underfloor heating, integrated appliances. We have a dishwasher, washing machine and fridge freezer. But it also has bifold doors that leads on to a rear garden. Alexa, open blinds. I hope you guys can all agree with me, this is the favourite part of the house for me. If you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, then please don't hesitate to call me. The number's below on 01268 271 110, and I look forward to showing you this home. Alexa, good night.
Okay.